Hi everybody, Hate Gamer here, and in today's episode of Minecraft mod development we will be going over adding in blocks. So let's get this started. I'm gonna launch Eclipse. I just logged onto the computer. It's not that late. It's only like 10:20, but you know, whatever. And yes, I have been working on, I started it today working on 1.9. My 1.9 mod. Close that. Tutorial mod, Eclipse. We're going to enter that. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to add a block into the game. How to use give it a texture, and how to set its harvest level. So like if you want to use an axe, or so like say you're making a form or a tree or a form of wood and you only want an axe to break it, then you can set it to axe. The hardness, and yeah, I really cannot wait to get this started. So yeah, let's get it going. And it's taken forever to load. I'll be back. Yeah, I just had to do that real quick. Let it load. Alright, one thing I'm going to change real quick is preferences. General, I like the dark theme appearance. Colors, label, colors. Windows. I prefer the dark theme. This is going to take a minute to apply, but it'll apply. And it's much easier to see the white text against the black background. And then classic theme. Alright, there we go. Alright, so in here, in our main mod class, we need to add a couple of, we need to add 3 things that I did not do in the setup, which I now realizing I should have done then. But we're just going to get it done now. So anyways, we're going to come over here outside of this squiggly bracket, so on this side of it. We're going to click over there. I'm going to press enter a couple of times. And I'm going to go, this is what we need to put in. And we're going to go at event handler. Next up is going to be public void pre-init parentheses fml pre-initialization. We're going to go event. I'm going to enter again, and then again open squiggly bracket, enter. And we're going to do this twice, but it's going to be different these next 2 times. So it's going to be at event handler public void init fml initialization. Excuse me. Event, and again with the squiggly brackets. We're going to go do this again at event handler. Yipsies. This is annoying. Alright, there we go. Public void post init fml post initialization event, and again with the squiggly brackets, and that's it. Now we're getting a bunch of errors because we have yet to import that stuff. So again, the keyboard shortcut will be Control Shift O all at the same time. Alright, and I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to actually put that as the asterisk again, because yeah. Alright, so I'm going to open up this, and right here, is this it? is it? Hold on, I'm like trying to edit the hierarchy. Package presentation, flat, hierarchical. There we go, this is how I like to have it. Alright, so in handlers, we're going to come in here, we're going to create a new class, and I'm going to call this HG Blocks for HitGamer. Alright, we're going to enter. And this is rather simple to do. I mean, it's as simple gets. So we're going to come over here outside the squiggly brackets again. I'm going to enter a few times, you know, a couple, whatever. We're going to, and here, this is where we're going to be initializing and stating our blocks. So it's rather simple to do. So we're going to go public static void init parentheses, enter again, enter, boom. That's taken care of, the initialization. Now we have to do the register method, so we're going to go public static void register, and again with the parentheses, and then open squiggly brackets, enter, and that's good. Alright, so HG blocks, it's good. And we have to initialize our blocks blocks class in our main class, and so we're gonna have to do that in our pre-init method. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna go HG blocks dot init, enter HG blocks dot register, and there we go. Whoa, that voice cracked though. Alright, so we're gonna come back into here, and I'm going to click up here, so we're going to have to click up into here, and well, let me think about what my first block's going to be. Alright, I'm back. I just thought of what I'm going to be. You know what? This is a channel. We're going to do mud. So we're going to go public static block mud semicolon. Now we're getting another error. Well, we haven't imported the block. Now, highlight over it, or Control Shift O, so highlight over it, and you want to click on the net Minecraft.block one. None of these other ones. They're not going to get you. It's not going to work right. Just trust me on this. Now, if we go Control Shift O, you'll be presented with a similar menu. You're going to want to click on net.minecraft.block. Finish. Alright, that's good. Now in here in our initialization method, we're going to go mud is equal to a new mud. We're going to go parentheses, and in here, this is what we're going to define the material. So it would be like stone, your wool, what else can I think of? Typical stuff like that, glass. So we're going to type material dot, I'm going to go rock. Alright, cool. And now we have to set the unlocalized name. So we're going to go dot set localized, unlocalized name, not localized. Parentheses, quotation marks, and we're going to call it mud. And again, we're going to go dot set, and this time we're going to go do the texture. So it's dot set block texture name. And again, with that, the parentheses and the quotation marks inside, we're going to go our mod ID, so it's going to be tm mud. Alright, now we're going to do .set creative tab. Now this sets, well, obviously the creative tab. So since we don't have any created, we're going to go creative tabs dot tab decorations. And we're going to end that off with a semicolon. Now we're getting an error here. Well, why is that? Well, because we have not created the class mud yet. And yeah. Alright, I have to do something real quick here. I'm back. Yeah. Alright, now we gotta register the block. So we're in here, in this method, we gotta go game registry dot register block. Now just type in parentheses, and whatever you get, just delete whatever's in there. I'm gonna go do that. Now in here we have to define the block. So we're gonna go mud comma, space, mud again, and in here we're gonna go dot get unlocalized name, dot substring 5. Now why 5? I don't even ask me. I can't even tell you why. All I know is that's what I put in there. It works. Oh, alright, hey, alright. So while we're in here, we're about to make the mud class. I'm gonna teach you guys something. And yes, I have music in the background. I like it. Anyway, in here, this is where we go to define what it is. So, well, I mean, the name. It's already got mud. I can't edit that. However, right here, the superclass. What is that? Well, I want to make it so that I don't really have to do. I only have to do a couple of things. Now, I could type in, you know, I know stuff by heart, so I would type in net.minecraft.block. However, if you don't, I would recommend clicking on Browse and just go backspace on whatever's on there and type in, say, block, and click on the Minecraft one. Finish, and it already says extends block. Now we're getting one error. Well, that's because we haven't added the constructor method. So now that we're in here, all we really got to do is delete that. Now in here, oh, one thing, this protected, you're going to want to change that to public. And then we're going to come right here, and we're going to go this.set harvest, to get rid of that menu because I want to show you guys, this.set harvest level, and we have to put parentheses in here. We're going to go comma, and then, alright, we'll get to that in 1 sec. So here, this is the tool we define it as. So I want it to be mined by a shovel, so I'd type in shovel. You can do it only, you know, pickaxe, like if it's going to be like stone or, you know, whatever. If it wanted it to be harvested by everything, you just do this dot set hardness. Alright, anyway, right here we're going to go shovel because it's going to be mud. Alright, here, okay, here's the best way I have to explain this. 0 is wood, 1 is stone, 2 is iron, and 3 is diamond. So that's the minimum tool level that this can be mined with. So I'm going to make it 0 for stone and per semicolon. Now again, this dot set hardness. Alright, so in here I'm going to go 2.0f. Now what does this mean? Well, that's, if I recall correctly what it is, that's how many times it takes, that's how many hits it takes before it breaks. Now this PI, I'd recommend just renaming it to material. That's what I've been doing. Material, and there we go. Why are you giving me that error? Hold on. Why? Okay then. And never mind, the error's back. I don't know what to say. Did I spell it wrong? No. Sometimes it's as simple as .set unlocalized name. Why do you do this? I'm gonna be right back. I gotta figure this out. Okay, guys, I just realized in the block it is not .set unlocalized. It is .set block name. There we go. It's .set block name. It's .set unlocalized name for the items. That was my bad. Anyway, I'm gonna load up Minecraft and I'll be right back as soon as that's done. Alright. Sorry, eating an orange. Alright, I'm gonna pause this real quick. Now, alright, in Minecraft, single player. I actually have yet to create a world. And I do not like playing with maps vsync. In my development environment, I like to get as much FPS, so I just turn everything down. That's just how I do it. Because, you know, I'm recording on a 2 gigahertz computer, little CPU. Like, I'm not, okay, I'll be honest, I'm recording on not the greatest of a computer. So, yeah. Alright. Oranges. I love them. I'm recording, right? Recording. Alright. Call this test. Now, probably today I might get into showing you guys how to add in not enough items into your dev environment, because it really is helpful. I'm gonna go creative. Alright, create. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys that our block is in game. Now granted, it's not gonna have a texture yet because we have yet to apply one. But I love an orange. Anyway, I will be adding a texture relatively soon. Okay, it's just checking my mic. My phone's still, yeah. I am using my iPhone 4 to record. That's my mic, so you know, it picks up what it picks up. Whereas in the previous video I was using my 5, but I lost my 5, so you know, hey. Anyway, God, jeez, God, it's lagging. Anyway, alright, so we're in here. So we're going to come to our decorations tab. Go all the way, oh hey, there it is. Tile.mud.name. Alright, so got our mud. And I just realized I set the it's, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go, whoa, tools and shovel, and we're gonna go /game mode S. Now if we do this, we should not be able to break it. However, if we do this, yes. Now I don't want it to break that fast, so I'm probably going to turn down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Oh, good God, it's lagging. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. Oh, that's how many seconds it takes to break. Anyway, but yeah, no, you guys get the gist. And I'm gonna give myself a pickaxe, so I'm gonna go Minecraft iron _ pickaxe. Alright. Now, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, wait a minute. No. I know why it's doing that. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, that's our first block, and I'm gonna mess around with the code and get it so that only a shovel breaks it. It's possibly, let's go back into here, material dot so is there not a dirt one? Maybe that's ground. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, actually, wait a minute. We are going to create a texture. So I'm going to open up paint.net. Real quick, I'm going to get paint going. Yeah. Alright, so in paint, I'm going to click on open. Alright, scroll down to mod development. Now in here I have my vanilla texture, so I'm going to go to assets, Minecraft, textures. I'm gonna go to blocks, and I think I'm gonna mess around with the dirt. Where is my dirt block? Alright, there we go. Open up. I'm gonna zoom in, control scroll wheel, and now this is the fun part. Oh. Ooh. Clone stamp. Ooh. Ah, it's just like Photoshop. Alright. I'm just gonna do this. Because all it is a clone tool, and it kind of gives it a really alright. Alright, you know what, that works for me for mud. So in paint.net, to export your image, you can go up to here and click on Save As, but you can also see there's a shortcut, Control-Shift-S. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Control-Shift-S. It's going to open up our Save As, and no, I'm not on Windows 8, I just like the look of 8. So I did that. Anyway, back to this. Now, tutorial mod. Source, main, resources. Now I just realized something, we haven't done any of this. So we're going to click on new folder. We're going to call it assets. We're going to click into there, and we're going to create another folder. And this is going to be our mod ID, so it's TM for the mod ID. Alright. We're going to have to click into there, new folder, we're going to call it textures, then we're going to real quick make another one in here called lang. This is where our language files goes, which defines our the name of the block, so it would be tile.mud.name equals mud. Now inside textures, we're going to click on new folder. We're going to go blocks. Come on, enter, go. This is what I get for recording on this kind of a computer. But you know what? It's what I got. It's what I can work with. So I'm going to come into here. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to have to rename it. And we call it said mud. So we're going to go mud. And then it's already going to put the .png extension on there, so we don't have to do that. Now we're going to go save. Another menu pops up, and we're going to click OK. I'm going to exit out of paint.net. Alright, so if we come in here to source main resources, and we click down, we'll notice that our texture is in. Now real quick, we're going to come over here to our lang, and I am going to we need to find this button, and we're going to call new untitled text file. Now this is a quick tip for organization in your mods, especially in your language files. I would suggest typing out a spot for blocks, items, which I'm going to do that anyway. So we're going to go creative tabs. Can I think of anything else at the moment? No. So anyway, in here we're going to type in tile dot. Come back into here, and we need that. So we're gonna right click, copy, come back over here, paste that, dot name equals mud. Now when we go press Control S to save it, it's gonna ask us to save it. So we're gonna have to click down Minecraft, come down here to source, click into it, main, resources, assets, TM lang. Now come down here to the file name. We're going to type in en_us.lang. Alright. It's good. It's all set. Alright, so I'll be back when I'm in Minecraft and in game, and yeah. Guys, we're back. Yeah, we're recording. Alright, back. I'm going to go into the test world, and I'll show you guys that our block is now working. And if we got an error, which if you guys typed in exactly what I showed you in the blocks and the mud file, your file, and everything should be a-okay. Yep, see? That's a hell yeah. Hold on. Alright, that's... Alright, I am like 30. Yeah, no, as you guys can see, it even says mud. So does dot ground mean I can break it? I need to figure out what it is so that it breaks like grass. And it doesn't sound like I'm hitting dirt, stone. But yeah guys, this has been Hit Gamer with another episode of Minecraft mod development. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please leave a like, comment, and if you want to, subscribe if you want more. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Hit Gamer, rolling out. Bye.